So what do you do if you don't have a banneton like this in which to prove your bread? A banneton, otherwise known as a proving basket, helps to, once you've shaped the dough, it helps to support the dough as it proves ready for baking. So it's a really handy thing to have in the kitchen. However, if you can't get hold of one, or they can be quite expensive to buy, and if you just want to try it out before investing, then use a colander. So any colander, metal, plastic, ideally a colander rather than a solid bowl, because the holes in the colander will help the moisture to wick away from the loaf. Get a 100% cotton or linen tea towel. This one is 100% cotton. Dust the tea towel well. Okay, best thing you can do, because can you see it doesn't hold the semolina as effectively as the linen liner of a banneton. So here I have a bowl with some semolina in. I'm going to take my shaped loaf, roll that around in the semolina. I've actually already done this for this loaf because I'd already placed it into the banneton. When it's got a nice coating of semolina, pop that inside your cloth. If necessary, dredge a little bit more semolina onto the sides. You don't want it sticking. And then just cover it up with the excess of the tea cloth. Leave it in a warm space to prove ready for baking.